The first video that we are going to do today is a BioC demo, and the ingredients that we need include below. So a quencher, BioC, water, betadine, and Maggi mee, and I will explain the functions later on. BioC acts as an antioxidant in our body, and sometimes when we are in stress or eat too much of fried food, then our body will become oxidized. So in this case, I use betadine as an oxidizing agent to speed up the aging process in our body. Stir a bit so our body become polluted and contaminated. Next, I will put this Maggi, which represent our organs in the body. So when the organs immerse in this contaminated environment, so it becomes slowly polluted as well, and it turns black color. So slowly this will become cancer or tumor cells in our body, which is not good for our health. And this is how our organs looks like when we are not enough sleep or having stress. Next, I will put half tablet of this vitamin C into the water. So as I mentioned just now, vitamin C is a very strong antioxidant. This is how it looks like. So BioC is also a very good whitening agent, and it boosts up the immune system in our body as well. Now I crunch it a bit. Just imagine the process of we taking this BioC in our body. So when the BioC reach our body, it acts as a reducing agent, which slowly makes our blood become clean and clear again. Our body slowly recover, and you can see here our organs become clean again. So it turns it into white color. And now all the toxicity has gone. A lot of people will ask if our body is being protected now. The answer is yes. So when all the pollutants comes in again, the BioC will still continuing react and protect our body from all the contaminants. Compared to other brands, our Nutrilite BioC have a time-release formula, which means that by just taking one pellet, it can last for 8 hours in our body. Our BioC is extract from natural source as lava cherry when the fruit is green and contain the highest amount of vitamin C. Next, the demo that we are going to do is lecithin E. Lecithin E is also considered as a coagulant, as many people nowadays facing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high glucose level due to our diet. The material that we need as below: lecithin E, cruncher, keratin oil, cotton bud, and also 2 cups of water. In order to make the process become more obvious, I use this keratin oil to act as the fats in our body. Now just imagine that you have taken very oily food in the early morning, such as nasi lemak or kari laksa. Same to this cup as well, I put around 1 tube of the keratin oil into it. The excess of fats in our body will narrow down the blood vessel and cause high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Now I turn the camera around, and you can see there are oil droplets on the surface. So now I will crunch up about 2 tablets of the lecithin E, and as I mentioned just now, lecithin E is a coagulant, which it can bring out all the fats in our body. As you know, water do not react with oil, so it's very hard for us to eliminate the fats in our body by just urine or any other methods. Therefore, Lecithin E is a very good solution for those who are having high cholesterol and high blood pressure, and for those who want to slim down. Now I put the lecithin E powder in the left cup, and you can see the lecithin is slowly react with the oil droplets, coagulate it and bring it down, take away from our body. The oil droplets together with the lecithin E will then send to our liver to detoxify and then excrete out from our body. And now, compared to the right one, you can't see any oil droplets on the surface anymore. Now I change the angle so that I can show you another demo. So these are the two cups just now. Just imagine that this cotton bud is our blood vessel, and all the oil droplets will stick on the blood vessel and cause high blood pressure. While for another cup that you have taken lecithin E, it can effectively expel the oil droplets so that it will not stick on our blood vessel. I do it one more time. Can see it expel again. So this is the demo of how lecithin E function in our body. The last demo that we are going to do is protein and body key. Body key come with 3 flavors, which are vanilla, chocolate and also cafe. Each box contains 14 individual packets, and this is how it looks like. While for protein, it comes with 4 flavors, which are green tea and berry protein. The next will be our original all-plant proteins and also a chocolate protein, but I do not have it on hand. In order to do this demo, we need a light bulb, shaker, either one flavor of the body key proteins, and also cups. Each serving of our all-plant protein gives you 8 grams protein for your daily needs. Now I will show you how the serving looks like. So by just taking this, you have already obtained 8 grams protein, which is equivalent to 3 eggs. Now we have 3 cups here, which represent the body condition of 3 different people. For the first person, assume that he is just taking plain water as his breakfast. While for the second person, he knows the importance of breakfast, so he will take 1 scoop of our all-plant protein for his breakfast. A lot of people will ask, why beside protein we need to take body key? This is because body key provides us all the other necessary nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and also fiber beside proteins. Now I shake it well, and this is the breakfast that the second person consumed. Remember not to use hot water for your protein, otherwise it will clump. So this is what the second person drink for his breakfast. While the third person know the importance of a complete meal, so I will add in 1 packet of body key into his diet. And I'll choose a coffee flavor body key for this round, as I personally prefer more on it. Beside water, you can also add in milk, oats or any fruits that you like into your body key meal replacement. Now shake it well, and this is the breakfast that the third person consumed. 1 serving of protein and body key is only contain about 200 calories, which is very good for those who like to have a diet plan. And now I will pour it into the third cups, and we will proceed with the light bulb demo. Adjust the position so that you can see it clearer. So the light bulb is our body conditions. And now observe the light bulb for the person body condition. For the first person that just take plain water as his breakfast, the energy level is very low. While for the second person that take protein, the energy level is slightly higher. For the last person that take protein and body key, the energy level is highest. And let's compare it one more time. This is for the one that take only plain water, protein, and last protein and body key. Plain water, protein, and body key. So you can compare it now. What about if the person who just take plain water slowly change his breakfast into protein and body key? Then he will slowly get all the energy that he needs for daily use. That's all the demo for today, and thanks for watching.